It's Bryan here from One Transformation Away. Let's see what ClickFunnels sent to me from United States. Oh, the first thing is I built a funnel sticker. There is one more thing inside. Is this awesome FunnelHacker t-shirts? Do you know how to get this for free? If you have a ClickFunnels account, you can actually go play the games. It's a very good education game that he will actually give you step-by-step videos for you to learn how to use ClickFunnels. For those that do not have ClickFunnels accounts, ClickFunnels is actually a very easy to use funnel or website builders. You do not need to have any technical background. As long as you know how to use mouse and keyboard, you can choose from the pre-existing templates, or you can actually customize from the scratch with drag and drop features, and your website or your funnels will be up running very fast. So if you want to sign up for the 14 days free trials, you can look for the link below. So it's a free trial. You have to key in your credit card information because they had only one serious customer that actually want to try out the software. So after the 14-day trials, if you think this is not something that you need, you can actually cancel the trial within the 14 days. So there will be no charge. But of course you have to remember to cancel. If not, then after the 14-day trials, he will continue with the actual subscriptions. Okay, talk to you again. Bye.